Okay, let's make a start. IELTS speaking part 1. Do you like jeans?
Yes, I used to like jeans.
No, not I used to. I like jeans, or I usually like jeans, or I love jeans.
Okay.
I am fond of wearing jeans, something like that. So again, do you like jeans?
Yes, I like jeans, and I also like other stuff. Jeans are good as they are long lasting, and you don't need to change
Or wash them
regularly. So it's a good to try.
It's good to try jeans. So once you buy, it doesn't need any, care or maintenance.
Oh yes, as well.
Okay, let's go on. How often do you wear jeans?
I usually wear jeans in winter season because in winter there is a winter season. So
in winter there is winter season.
Sorry.
Okay. In winter the weather is very cold.
Weather is very cold, and we also use jackets. So on other clothes to wear jackets are not comfortably. So when we use jeans, and on the other side we also use jackets. So
what do you mean by we? Are you married?
No.
No, then you should use I.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So I told you, when question is with you, you should answer with I. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. So do you prefer? Okay, let's go on. How often do you buy new jeans?
Usually I buy jeans after every 6 months. As I told you that I don't use in the summer season.
Okay. What do you do with your old jeans?
Usually I donate the old jeans that I don't like to wear to needy peoples.
Okay, you donate them, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Thank you so much. Overall,
Thank
it's
you.
fine. Just try to focus the question and answer in 5 to 6 sentences, right?
Sure. Thank you.
Your turn, please. Do you walk a lot?
Yes, I prefer to walk a lot because I being a healthy person, I prefer walk because it makes me healthy and my stamina, and in this way I get good stamina, and walking is good for healthness and
For health.
for health.
Okay, thank you so much. Just try to speak quickly and connect your ideas together. Do you prefer to walk alone or with your friends?
I prefer I love to walk with my friends because during walking I like talking to my friends.
While walking, I love talking.
I love talking with my friends on different topics and daily routines, and I like to walking. I enjoy when I walk with my friends.
Yeah, I enjoy
walk.
when I walk with my friends. All right, let's go on. Do you prefer morning walk or evening walk?
I like morning walk because in the morning the air are so good, and it is very useful and helpful to our body.
For our body?
For our body, so I prefer morning walk.
Okay, overall it's good. You need to be fluent and try to speak actively and have a smile when you are talking.
ये डर नहीं जाता पता.
हाँ?
ये
किस चीज़ का डर है? हाँ?
सर बहुत कोशिश करता हूँ.
और मैं आपको एक दम करूंगा, उसके बाद आप सही हो जाएंगे, ठीक है? एक तवीज़ दूंगा, अपने गले में डालना, फिर आपको डर नहीं लगेगा. Okay? Don't worry, you'll be fine. Thank you.